Okay, we are talking about lesson 81, which is or 83, which is sales tax. And let's look at our next problem. 3 pairs of socks were purchased. Each pair was $2.24. And so with that in mind, the tax was also 34 cents. So we need to figure out how much was spent on socks. So we take 3 pairs. If each pair is $2.24, I'm going to say $2.24 multiplied by 3. And I say 3 times 4 is 12. Carry my 1. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. 3 times 2 is 6. So that's the initial amount. She spent $6.72 on the socks, in addition to 34 cents for tax. So let's add that up. 2 plus 4 is 6. 7 plus 3 is 10. Carry our 1. Okay, so the total was $7.06. Our next problem is Hakim paid $10 for a tape that cost $6.95. The sales tax was 49 cents. How much money should Hakim get back in change? Let's add these up. 5 times 9 is 14. Carry our 1. We automatically know that's 10 plus 4 is another 14. Carry our 1. $7.44 was what he was charged. He gave a $10, so let's see. $7 and we subtract $7.44 from $10. And I'm going to have to do a lot of regrouping, it looks like, because obviously we can't use this. So we have 9, 9, 10. So 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. So he should get $2.56 back.